Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a banana and turmeric face mask, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please take your time to read all the articles where I've written down the benefits of turmeric and banana on skin. And without further ado, let's dive right into this video. I can't breathe without your love. So guys, you will need one ripe banana. You need to get a very ripe banana so it will be easy to blend, hence I don't have a blender. And you need some baking soda, baking powder, and I use this baking powder by Double Crown. And then the turmeric powder, this is organic, this is by Ricardo Foods. This is a turmeric powder. You can get turmeric powder in any supermarket or superstores around your area. Then you need an aluminum spoon. This is for the mixing process. And I also use the wooden spoon to mash the banana. And this red bowl is what I use to mash the banana so that it can look fine. And the glassware, the other bowl, is for mixing the whole product to avoid staining of glasswares. So guys, to open up my pores, I pour in some hot water into a bowl that contains my face towel, and that's how I'm going to use it to damp on my face to open up my pores for the mask application. So now guys, I'm cleaning my face with some baby wipes, some facial wipes, and this one is gentle, is mild on my skin, and yeah. So now I'm using the face towel to cleanse my face and at the same time open my pores for the mask application. Make sure you don't scrub, you just dab on your face so that you don't cause redness on your face. Well, do you remember the banana peel, the banana paste? We made the peel I didn't throw it away. I kept it for this purpose. So I'm using the banana peel to scrub on my face, like kind of extracting the gel from the back of the banana onto my face. It's really good. It's really relaxing. I wish you were there to see how I felt or feel how I felt. I don't know, but it's really relaxing. I'm just applying the gel on my face and then prepping it for the mask application. Well guys, here is the face mask. This is the paste, so I'm applying it on my face with a cotton swab. I didn't know this was going to be difficult to apply. I thought it was going to be easy. Anyhow, we're still going to apply it, so that is what I'm doing right now. While applying this mask, you should be careful of the outfit you wear, because turmeric is a staining agent, so it doesn't stain your wear and condemns it. Like as you can see, one had already spilled on my dress, but it's nothing. I can wash it out. So I kept on applying it, and yeah, the whole application method is very messy, but hence you know the results you are going to achieve at the end of the day, that doesn't count. So guys, this mask should sit on the face for a minimum of 20 minutes, then you wash off with warm water and damp dry. So guys, after the shower, this is how my face looks. It looks smooth, a lot more better and healthier. So I'm just gonna tone my skin. I'm using a cotton swab and my rose water you guys have seen throughout my video, and I'm using it as a toner to take away the turmeric stain and also to tone my face and you know, all those good stuffs. Yeah. So now the next thing I do is to moisturize, and I'm using my Olay moisturizing cream. It's really good, and I moisturize all over my face. This cream is really soothing and relaxing, but then yeah, it's not something I use on a day-to-day basis. When I do regimens like this, I like to use it because it's nice, it's relaxing, and it doesn't burn my face. Guys, when doing skin therapies like this, you don't expect it to work on that same day. You're gonna see results gradually if you keep on doing the therapy. Advisably, you should do this 2 to 3 times a week for best results. So guys, this is the finished look. This is what my skin looks like after I washed it and took out the mask and cleansed and moisturized and made my face pure. This is what it looks like. So this treatment, it's something that's going to take time to work. You need to be consistent. You need to do it maybe once or twice a week or 3 times in a week to get a desired result. But I believe that when you keep on doing this, your dark marks is going to fade, the acne problems is going to reduce, and then your face will look a lot more healthy and a lot more young and brighter. This is just the first time I've done this, but I think that if I continue doing it over the period of time, my skin will get better. So you need to try out this mask, you need to try out this DIY, and if you do try it out, just give me a shout out so I know that you did it and it's going to work. I believe so much. And yeah, with that all said, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share it to someone who needs help out there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.